What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in today's video we are going to check out the Melonare LM-2, and this is a wireless microphone. Now Melonare did send it out to me to sponsor this video, but none of my opinion about this product right here is none of their own. I'm just doing my own review just to see if this actually worth it. If you're a content creator, streamer, someone doing interview, or just sit and talk video like this. Now guys, please bear in mind that for this video I'm using this microphone through the entire video, so all of the audio that you guys actually hear exactly coming from this microphone right here. Now let's just do the unboxing to see what come inside the package. Now on the box you can see the content which comes inside. Inside we have the user manual, 3.5 audio cable, USB-A to USB-C charging cable, USB-C to USB-C OTG cable, 6.35mm adapter for your audio jack. Then we have the microphone, which in this case right here, which is pretty lightweight, a charging port at the back. Then we have our microphone device inside. Now let us take a closer look at what we have inside. Now we have the microphone receiver, which shows a signal for the tooth transmitter on the front. We have the power button to the top right here, and to the side we have a USB-C and a 3.5mm. To the bottom right section right here, this is where it actually charges. So you can just peel off this piece right here, where you can put it in your case for charging. The reason I did this is because they don't want to drain the battery during transportation. Now to the side right here, you can see we have the volume up and down button. And to the back right here, we can use to clip this onto your camera or your mobile phone or any device that you want to attach it to. Now right here, we have the two transmitter right here, which is very identical, and they're actually lightweight as well. Now take a closer look at these devices right here and show you guys what we have in them. So on the side right here, we have the USB-C for charging, or if you want to connect it to your computer. Then the bottom right here is where you charge it. On to the side right here, we have the power button and volume up and down button right there. Also, we have the microphone button right there on both of these devices. Now, both of the devices can attach to your clothes as well if you want to attach it that way. Now when the microphone is in the case, it will show the percentage of the charging. So I'm indoors right now. I'm testing the sound quality of this microphone right here. So I have it in the first mode, and this is the sound quality that I'm getting indoors like this. So now we are the second mode right here, which is the environmental mode, and this is the sound quality that you get out of this microphone like this. And now guys, we have it in the AI noise cancelling. So let me know which one actually sound better. Let me know in the comment section which one you like actually, sound better. Alright guys, so I'm outside right now and I'm testing the quality of this mic right here. So the AI noise cancelling is on right now, and this is just the quality that you get out of it. Right now guys, as we speak, I'm testing out the sound quality of this microphone right here on my mobile phone. So this is a sound quality if you want to use it with your mobile phone. As you can see, I'm at a quite distance away from my phone right now. So this enables me to have audio whenever I'm far from my mobile phone. So let me know what you guys think about this. And this right here is in the first mode. The AI noise cancelling is off. The environmental mode is off as well. And this is the quality that you get right here from out of the mobile phone. According to the manual, it said that it is of a range of about 40 meters. And I'm just going to test that right now. There's a lot of wind coming in, and this door doesn't really come with a wind muff inside, which I was actually hoping that it would, especially in a situation like this. So I'm just going to test now, away from the camera, and let you guys hear how it sounds. So I'm going to just walk and just keep on talking, and so I can know exactly when this actually cuts out. My back is facing the camera as well. So I'm out right here, about 40 meters range. I'm not sure if you guys can hear my camera as well. Just testing the range to see the signal of how this will actually pick up if you're in a situation where you want to use this like further away from your camera. So I'm out here, which is pretty distance right here, and let me know if you guys are hearing me. If not, I might do a voiceover telling you guys that you didn't hear me clearly. Now, based on my testing of this microphone right here, I would say it's pretty decent You guys can be the judge of that as well by the sound quality. I mean, in certain situations where there's a lot of wind noise, it probably struggles a bit with ANS cancelling. And what I always realize with ANS cancelling as well, you always try to change up your voice, and this doesn't really change up your voice much, which is really good. And it's pretty lightweight, and I say it's a decent microphone if you're on a budget and you want something, to capture audio, especially if you want to record further away from your camera. So I'm going to put links for this down in the description if you guys interested in picking up any one of these, and also let me know what you guys think about this. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.